What's up everybody, Joe here, welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I design and create my thumbnail images for my YouTube videos using Canva. Canva is a somewhat new design platform that has gained a ton of popularity because it's a web platform, so you don't need to download anything, and you can access all of your designs on the web or the cloud from any device or browser that you're currently using. Definitely check out Canva and sign up for at least a free account, as it's an amazing design platform for anyone looking for some design tools. I'll put a link to the Canva platform in the description of this video below, and I'll also link to it up here. Canva does have a pro version, but you can also create a free account too, and you'll get access to many of their awesome features. So go ahead and do that real quick if you haven't already. Once you have your free Canva account and you log in, you'll get access to this page here. Canva has a ton of design templates for a ton of different stuff like social media posts, different kinds of images, different kinds of videos, awesome resume design templates, and more. I'll probably go into how I use Canva for these other assets in another video, but for this video, I'm gonna focus on YouTube thumbnails, and I'm going to show you how I create mine step by step. First, you'll want to go up here and click on create a design, and again, they have many template types, and if you search for YouTube, you will get different kinds of YouTube options, and one of them is YouTube thumbnail. Now, the best size to use for your YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720, so definitely use that size, as it's the best size according to YouTube support, and Canva also uses that size as well, 1280 by 720. Now I have this blank canvas for 1280 by 720 for my YouTube video thumbnails, and I can start designing. Over here on the left side, Canva has a ton of awesome free images and free backgrounds and different text types and fonts and much more. You can get more features if you pay for a pro version or a more pro account, and it's not very expensive. Plus you can do like a free trial to test it out, but you can also get a ton of features with just a free Canva account too. Canva even gives you different templates for YouTube thumbnails as well, so you can definitely scroll down here and check out the different features and templates that they have. Some are free, some are for the pro account. So first I'm gonna pick an image or a background to be my background. It really depends on what your video is about, but also finding something that will look good with a bit of text. Not a ton of text, but a bit of text. Keep it simple. So I'm just gonna go pick a background, and I will pick this one. So now I've picked a background, and I think it's like a bright background. I think it'll capture the user's attention. And I do plan on adding text, but again, not very much text. It doesn't necessarily need to say everything that your video is about or have your entire video title in it. Keep it simple, keep it short and simple. The thumbnail captures the user's attention. Then they will read the video title to see what it's all about, and if all goes well, they will click on your video to watch it. So I'm just gonna go here and add some text. I'm gonna use the big heading first, and I'm gonna just type thumbnails. I'm going to resize that and make it really big here. I can even change the fonts by clicking up here on the fonts, and I can pick something interesting. I do like this font as well, the Gagglin font, so I'm just gonna go with that, and I will increase this even more. That looks okay to me. Okay, so once you've picked your background or the image that you want to use for the background, go ahead and add a bit of text using different sizes or different fonts. Again, the main goal is to capture the user's attention. One of the best ways to do this is to add some sort of drama. I usually use some sort of selfie, so I will show you how I crop my selfies and then add them to my thumbnails. Alright, so here is a selfie I took for the thumbnail of this video just before recording, and I'm gonna build a thumbnail for this video while I teach you how to do it. Canva Pro does have a feature where you can remove the backgrounds of images, which is really cool and helpful, but I usually just use the preview tool on my Mac. So here's my selfie opened on my Mac using the preview tool, and I'm going to snip or crop myself out as to remove the background, and so I can add myself into my thumbnail really nicely and professionally. First, I'm going to click on View and then on Show Markup Toolbar, which is going to give me these options up here. So again, it's View, Show Markup Toolbar. Then in this top left option over here, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to come down here and select Smart Lasso, and I will begin outlining myself as carefully as possible. I'll just fast forward this a bit to not bore you. Once I have outlined myself, I will select Edit, and then I will click on Invert Selection. So that's Edit and then Invert Selection, which basically means focus on the outside instead of the inside, and then I will click on Delete. So when I try to delete it, it may ask me to change the format from like JPEG to a PNG or something, and that's fine. So I will click on OK and just convert. And it should convert the image while deleting the outside or the background, and there it is. Now I probably do have to do this a little bit more close up and a little bit more carefully, so I will do that real quick. Alright, and there it is. I think that is good enough. It could be better, but for this example, I think it's good enough. So I will just save that. And then I'm gonna upload it to Canva. You can use their upload tool, or you can just drag and drop into Canva as well. And Canva will upload the image up here on your upload section. Once I have that image in Canva, I can add it into my thumbnail. So there it is, and I'm just going to format it a little bit, make it look nice. Yeah, then it's just about finalizing the design, finding the right balance of text and image, making it as catchy as possible. And you can easily try out different backgrounds or different styles too by just coming in here and duplicating, and then just choosing a different background color. You can try out different images or different backgrounds. But yeah, play around with different text sizes and fonts and different backgrounds and anything else you want to add or try. One of the things that I like to do is I like to click on my image and I like to put on some effects. And you can add different filters as well, or there's different photogenic filters part of the effects. But what I like to do is I like to add a glow. You can add different shadows as well, they're pretty cool. But I usually just go with the glow, and it's gonna give me kind of like a black shading glow around my image. And I can even edit this a little bit more, like make it bigger. I can change the color to like something like white, and it just kind of makes me pop out a little bit more. I'll click on apply there. But yeah, once you finalize your thumbnail, click on the download button and make sure you have the right file type. I usually go with PNG for the higher quality. If you have multiple designs or pages within that one design, just make sure you have the one page or the one design, or the ones that you want to download, and then click done and download, and that's it. Now you have the thumbnail for your video, and you can add it to your video, your YouTube video, as its thumbnail image when you upload, or you can edit it after you upload as well. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Again, keep it simple. You don't want to overdo it. Play around, you're gonna have some fun. Trust me, it's a really great platform. Again, a link to the Canva platform is in the description below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button for YouTube's algorithm. It really helps the video and the channel, you guys, so thanks in advance. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel too. I put out videos every week, mainly on personal finance and investing in stocks, funds, real estate, crypto, and now I'm going to be putting out more and more marketing or design videos, also videos on business and entrepreneurship and more. Alright, that's it from me for this video, so I will wish you a good day, a good night, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright, until then, cheers.